So we think we know what's in here. Apparently we've written something there, sovs and krugs. What's a krug? Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins, shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. Sometimes I'm accused of doing that a little bit too fast. They go, shipped to you worldwide from blah, 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 blah. What are we doing?
We are unboxing this box, which we know has sovs in, and we think has Krugers in.
Krugs. Oh, Krugs, of course. Krugerrands, right?
That's the one.
All right, shall we open? Now, what are we going to open with?
I was going to use this one, but
well, we've got that. But
we have the whole selection.
I wanted to reintroduce the selection of unboxing knives. And for those new to the channel...
There is another one.
Yeah?
Unfortunately, it's currently sitting in EDC.
Oh, really?
There's another knife. Yes.
Oh, really?
Yes, with a bit of a story behind it. So
another knife. Okay. Quickly, these ones. This was given to us by, well, two separate people.
Yeah.
This one's handcrafted with a Bullion Now monogram on there. If that's what you call it. That's very cool. And this one's a beautiful little Italian number right there for the more intricate stuff.
And this is a very expensive.
Some dude named Stanley gave that to us, I think.
Yeah, that's right. I was trying to come up with a name that wasn't going to get us into trouble. Yeah.
Too late. All right, let's open up.
Oh, you haven't told me which
choose
one you want me to use.
You can choose. It's your choice.
I'm going to use...
Really?
Actually, I'm going to use the smaller of the two.
Okay, good. All right, fantastic.
Because it's just a little bit...
And you need a chainmail glove. I'm not surprised with your... Oh!
How was that for timing?
Thank goodness. Wow. We will get this extra sharpened, I think.
Yeah.
We'll go down the local...
I was meant to take it for sharpening over the break, and of course I didn't. Of
course not. All right, so apparently we have sovereigns and apparently gold Krugerrands. Look at you with your glove and everything.
Mate, I'm nothing if not vaguely unorganised.
I reckon. What about the old Stanley for this part?
Don't trust me, mate.
I'm standing well back, way back.
Can't understand why.
No, couldn't tell you. Lovely. All right.
Let's get rid of the paperwork.
Oh, okay.
I'll get my gloveth on.
Okay. This is interesting.
Now, Krugs or sovs first?
You pick, mate. It's your stock.
Sovs.
Your stock, your choice.
I don't know why they stick them down. Far out. Why do they have to stick these things down?
So probably so the top doesn't pop off, and
yeah, which we complain about when it does.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. You just want your cake and eat it too, mate.
Yeah, I know. Typical male.
Here we go. All right, what do we got?
We have the Bullion version of the 2021.
Yeah.
So I put it on there so you get a bit of background.
Yeah.
Sovereign.
Now, here we go. Now, you just said the Bullion version?
Well, it's not the highfalutin proof in all its packaging and
of course, okay.
all that sort of stuff.
Of course, so it's the 2021 full sov?
Full sov from the Royal Mint.
From the Royal Mint, of course. And they are 22 carat.
They are 22 carat.
Yep, so they do attract GST with them here in Australia.
So they are similar design, but different to the Perth Mint proof sovereign.
Oh, I see. Okay, no problem. Beautiful. Now this is just a sovereign. This is a sovereign.
There's no such thing as just a sovereign.
You know what I mean. But this is a sovereign like every other sovereign. It's just a new one.
It is.
That's it.
So they are still producing them after, and we need Matt here for that, but after hundreds of years.
Yeah, a long time.
They're still producing the sov.
Absolutely.
And we're going to open this one.
Okay. Because
it's in different packaging to what I was expecting, so there might be something else in here.
Ooh, maybe.
Or it may just be that they've reused some packaging.
I'm guessing so.
Yeah. We shall find out momentarily.
Each sovereign, if you're not aware, is 0.2354 of a troy ounce of gold.
That's another tube of sovs.
There we go, tube of sovs.
So we have heaps of the sovs in.
Lovely.
Now just remember with 22 carat, you're going to be incurring GST on
That's
it
right.
within Australia.
Yes.
If we're shipping them overseas, obviously you don't incur that GST.
Yep, absolutely. And if you happen to be leaving the country, you know, at a short point from now, or from the time you buy them, you can claim the GST back
You can.
on your way out of the country. All right, so we're assuming these are Krugerrands.
It must be Monday morning.
Why is that?
Neither of us seem to have a lot of energy.
Oh, you're right. I agree. I agree with that. Did you notice that sentiment too?
Yeah.
Everyone else is probably like, they had a long weekend.
Had a big weekend.
Too many parties, mate. Too many parties. You know, I'm in that party mode. You know.
It's the 21 Krug.
Beautiful. Oh, that's really nice. Yeah, they are a classic, I've got to say.
Again, 22 carat.
Yep, absolutely.
So they do still have 1 ounce of gold in them, pure
Yep.
gold.
Yep.
So they weigh more than an ounce.
Yep.
Because it's 22 carat.
Excellent. Can you flip it over, please?
You know why they're 22 carat?
Tell me why they're 22 carat, Miguel.
Because they are a circulating coin,
Yep.
in theory. Obviously, they're not so much these days, but they used to be a circulating coin, so they needed to be 22 carat so they could stand up to the rigours of circulation.
Yeah, a little bit more sturdy. Yep. Because 24 carat, a little bit too soft.
Yeah.
You get little dings and stuff if they were
just-
circulating. Absolutely.
see,
and that's horizontally aligned.
It is.
Yeah.
Did you see Matt upset everyone on the live stream on Friday?
No, I didn't catch that part because I left and had to do other things. What happened?
He suggested that we redesigned the Krugerrand.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Didn't go down well with the
That
locals.
didn't
I
go
can tell
down
you.
well. Really? Okay. I wonder why. Oh, okay. What was his thoughts?
He did clarify it, I have to admit. I'm dropping Matt in a little bit.
Okay.
He did clarify it and say what I was meaning to say was I think it was the 40th anniversary, they should have done a jazzed up one.
Oh, I see. Sure.
But he initially said,
Would you be able to do me a favour
should.
can you do me a favour and pop those back in your gloved hand, if that's okay? It looks kind of better in the background thing.
I only have one glove.
Ah, that's all right.
So-
We'll figure it out.
Yeah.
Look at that. You did it. Yeah, that's good. That's great. Perfect. No, that's cool. Oh, look what you did. Is that the thumbnail? You never know. Fantastic. So, Krugerrands and Sovereigns in stock if you're watching this pretty soon after it is online uploaded.
They will go fairly quickly.
Okay.
And they are a bit of a pain to get in because of all the import stuff.
Yep.
They are 21s, and I don't know if we'll be able to get 21s again is the other problem.
Yep, fair enough. Okay.
Alright.
Well, as the bell rings, is what it normally does when we're shooting a video, because we're in the store here. You can come into the store and, do all that stuff and the thing and see Ruben and speak to everyone else and get your gold and your silver, etc.
Yep.
We've got to serve a customer. So head over to bullionnow.com.au, get your Sovereigns and your Krugerrands. Like, share, subscribe. That's what we tell people to do.
That's the one.
And as always, that's it from me.
And from me too.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.